Now let's go to Sora 2 in our iPhone. We're going to create a cameo through a prompt. We're going to write a prompt. Create a 3D character of a model girl. So we're going to create a character of a model girl as a cameo. And then we're going to click the little arrow that's going up and let it generate. If you enjoyed it so far, make sure to like and subscribe. And then we're going to come back. It's done. Look at our model. Look at our model, the 3 dot. Click create character. The bottom, that's where you create the loop of our model, where you can trim it, how you want it, how you like it. So this is our model.
Strength is quiet.
So now,
style, effortless. Walk with purpose.
We're going to click continue.
Confidence
It's going to take us to the next screen. Now this is our character profile.
Walk with purpose. Hold the gaze, and the rest follows.
Confirm, click continue with the username, display name.
Strength is quiet. Style, effortless. Walk with purpose. Hold the gaze.
Now here's our character descriptions. So this is where you can modify, and also you can put a restriction at the bottom, like what the do and the don't people can do with your character. But we're going to leave it as default. Since it's your character, leave it as default. Click continue. And this, we're also going to leave that as default. But if you want to share your character with other people, you can choose everyone, or mutuals, or people approve. But we're going to leave it as only me. And then we're going to create save.
Confidence isn't loud, it's steady, and that's the power of a good fit.
Now this is the final. This is our cameo, Vera Aureline. This is our character. So now we have a cameo, a model.